Hey, and hello, and welcome to another episode of Glue and Make. My name is Firefighter Paul, and I'm on call. If you hear the bells or my alerter goes off, I've got to skedaddle because I've got a fire call. So what are we going to make on Glue and Make today? We're going to do something called origami. Now, origami is an ancient art form of paper folding. Now, here it is. We're going to make a dove with some flapping wings. So, what are you going to need to make this dove? First off, you're going to need a pencil. Then, you're going to need some sheets of white paper. You'll need some tape. And then you'll need some scissors. But always ask an adult because scissors can be sharp. And of course, it wouldn't be Glue and Make without the glue! Hooray! Okay, let's get on with the make! There you go, your very own origami dove. Now Nico from Wareham has sent in some photographs of his VE Day bunting that he made from one of our previous Glue and Make episodes. Remember to keep sending in those photographs, we love to see them. Now remember the mini superheroes? You can find these at dwfire.org.uk with loads of other activities that you can do. Well, that's all we've got time for on Glue and Make. I hope you've enjoyed making the origami dove. Until the next time, keep washing your hands and be safe. Bye-bye.